drowning in customer inquiries and struggling to keep up. Let's ditch the chaos and build a streamlined Facebook Messenger flow using Messagebird, turning those chaotic interactions into automated customer delight in just 90 seconds. First, head over to Messagebird and log into your account if you don't have one. Now's the perfect time to sign up. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Channels section. This is where you'll connect your Facebook Messenger account. Click on the Connect button next to Facebook Messenger. You'll be prompted to log into your Facebook account and authorize Messagebird to access your pages. Now, click on Flow Builder in the left-hand menu. This is the heart of our automation magic. Click on Create New Flow. Give your flow a descriptive name, something like Welcome New Customers. Drag and drop the trigger step onto the canvas. Select Incoming Message as the trigger. This means the flow will start whenever someone sends your page a message. Next, add a send message action. Craft a warm welcome message, like Hey there, welcome to. Now, let's set up some options. Add buttons or quick replies to your message. For example, you can add options like Browse Products, Track Order, and Contact Support. Connect these options to different branches using the branch step. Clicking Browse Products could lead to a list of your best-selling items sent as a carousel message. Contact Support could instantly connect them to a live agent. To connect to a human agent, use the Human Agent step. When the customer selects to contact support, they will be connected a live agent for support. Remember to test your flow by sending a message to your Facebook page. Ensure it is working smoothly. And that's it. You've built a basic Facebook Messenger flow in Messagebird. Explore other features, like integrations and advanced logic, to take your customer interactions to the next level. Now go forth and automate.